Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can transform and fuse in Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, in order to transform, once you have enough skill points, which is indicated in the top left, hold the up directional button, or the R3 analog for Xbox. Then press square or triangle to transform, or just rotate the analog stick on the preferred direction for Xbox. So, square or left direction requires 1 skill point, and triangle or up direction requires 2. Since I have just 1 skill point right now, I'll rotate to the left direction to transform. Now, in order to fuse, hold up or the R3 analog, press R1 or RT, and fuse based on your preference. Note that each circle will show how many skill points is needed to do that transformation or fusion. So that's basically how you can transform and fuse in Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.